Hello YouTube, it's William. Welcome to another Sunday cookout in a Dutch oven. We're going to do a lemon chicken. It's been marinated overnight in some lemon pepper. So it's going to be a lemon pepper chicken. I'm going to insert a picture right here of the other ingredients. We got carrots, onions, garlic, a sweet tater. Going to use a little bit of curry powder, some more black pepper, a little bit more lemon juice, and also some granulated garlic. Yeah, I like a lot of garlic. And I'm not going to measure any of the seasoning, folks. It's just one of those seasoned to taste. So I got my pot here, right there. It's got about a half a stick of butter melted in it. We're going to spread it around in the pot a little bit and then put the chicken in there. And hope you can see. I need to get my other. I don't want to use all my butter. Just season up. I'm going to put my chicken in there and do a little seasoning. There's my chicken. I'm just really not set up for this. I need to do something better. Alright. I'm going to chop up a couple of these garlic. Put in there. If you want to know what this knife is, it's the Camp tool. And at the end of this video, there'll be a link that tells you about this knife. You can get it at Great Northern Knives. You can get all my models at Great Northern Knives. Okay, so we got that chopped up. We're just going to put that over the top of it. Need to put the seasoning stuff on there. I'll go ahead and put the lemon juice. Some curry powder. Black pepper. And I'm going to take the rest of this marinated and just kind of pour it over the top of it. Alright, that's what we got. Now we're going to take it over to the fire over there. And we're going to put some coal around it, let it cook for about 45 minutes. Okay, the chicken's been on for about 40 minutes. We're gonna get these veggies ready to put in the pot. And I'll put them in the pot. I'll let you see what the chicken looks like. But it sure is smelling good, folks. Smells like lemon pepper chicken should. I don't know if you guys caught my video I uploaded Saturday. Well, I guess it was Sunday. I recorded it Saturday. But I give an update on the production and everything. And I also gave my opinion of the election and all that. I think in a nutshell, I mean, we owe it to ourselves and all the candidates and citizenry coming after us to make sure that the majority of each state wishes is upheld. Because none of us want, I would hope, that none of us want an election to be stolen. And from what we're seeing in social media and now even Fox News, which has really let me down these past few weeks. Of course, I haven't really watched them in years, but they've really become noticeable over the past few days. Their bias, but they're even saying at this point that they're letting people on there like Miss Powell and a few others and Newt Gingrich and all those, and they're coming forth with affidavits from actual witnesses and thousands of people who are claiming fraud and all this other stuff. And I think we owe it to ourselves and future generations to allow that process to work out, the legal process. The news media calling the election at this point is, well, they have no authority to call it. Basically what they're doing is they're giving an opinion. And thanks to our school system, some people don't understand how the system works. And I think that we owe it to ourselves to educate ourselves. If our school system doesn't educate us, then we should educate our own selves. I mean, you know, Thomas Jefferson said, I got a sweet tater here. Thomas Jefferson famously said that he never let his schooling interfere with his education. And many times we forget that. We're in school the rest of our lives. We're always learning. We're always trying to improve ourselves and be the better person, and I would hope. So that means learning things, reading up on things. Stop watching Dances with the Stars and America's Got Talent and all that other junk that just ruins it just rots your brain. Read a book, even if it's a fiction book. I mean, just try to improve on something. One of those is civics. Understand the election process. Know who your candidates are. I mean, be an informed voter. That's the responsibility of living in a free country. Once we are no longer interested in that, then we will have somebody come in and steal our election. Are we at that point right now? Well, it certainly appears that way. Now, I don't know if we're going to be able to turn this thing around or not, but there is certainly enough improprieties here to raise the question and pause and allow both sides to state their case. Whether it goes to the Supreme Court or if it comes down to where no one wins and we actually have to go before Congress for a decision. I mean, that's a possibility too. That's happened in the past as well. So none of this that's going on right now is new. It's happened before throughout history of the United States, and if we continue being a free nation, it will happen again. It's when things are not questioned is when we should worry. Because we are no longer a free nation with free thought and freedom to choose our representatives. And that's what they are. They're not governors. They do not control or rule over us. They're representing us. So, but anyway. So whether you're for Biden or you're from Trump, you should be applauding the system that we have in place. Because next time, if we allow this to happen, and we allow someone to come in and use fraudulent methods to steal this election, then the next person that comes in and steals the election may not be your favorite person. Okay? So things always turn around and change, and they don't always come to be in your best interest. So what you try to do is you try to keep things fair for both sides, so that we never have an issue where we lose our ability to choose our representatives. Okay. All right, I got these chopped up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a few more minutes, and then we'll check the pot. Stick with me. Got a little crusty on top. Chicken's bigger than the pot. I need to give me a bigger pot. Take some coals off of it. All right, we're gonna put the veggies in it. All right, we're gonna check it. I think everything is done. Checked it a few minutes ago. It looked done to me. Okay. Yeah, where it hit the top of the deal. See, it's coming off the bone. Yeah. See if I can get that right there for a sample.
That's gonna be good.
Oh man, that's gonna be good. Well, that was good. Still got it in my teeth. We're gonna take it to the house and plate it up. Now I'll put a picture right here of it once it's in the plate. But it's done. It's the chicken was too big for my pot. I need to get a bigger pot or a smaller chicken. One of the two. But it's gonna taste good. It's a little crusty on top. Take that skin off, will be fine. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, and you guys get in the backyard, try this stuff. I mean, everything don't work out the way you planned it sometimes, but hey, it's edible, and I'm sure it's gonna taste good. It just doesn't look too presentable, but anyway, it's a good chicken. We'll catch you guys again maybe next week. We'll see how it goes. Man, it's still so hot here. I'm just fighting flies and everything else. It's just not still a little warm to be doing this, but anyway, we'll see how it goes next week. Anyway, appreciate all your support. You guys are wonderful. You're just phenomenal. Without you, it wouldn't be no WC Knives, and I appreciate you for allowing me to live my dream, and I thank you so much. Until the next one, you guys get in the backyard with a little stick, cook a chicken if you can, and to remember to take plenty of Band-Aids and lots of knives, and we'll catch you again real soon.